everyone, today I'm going to be showing you my glitter gel collection, which is basically going to be all my face gels. Most of them are ColourPop, but there are some other brands I have, so if you want to see my full collection of face gels and kind of my thoughts on them, just keep watching. So I'm like overheating, so I really want to get through this video, plus I want to get it put up tomorrow. I'm trying to post as many collection videos and stuff as I can because I'm in the mood for it, you know, like my fibro pain has been getting so bad lately, and so the few days where I do have energy to, you know, film, even if it's something simple like this, I thought it would be fun, you know. And I know not all of you are into these types of videos, and that's totally fine. If you're not, you don't have to watch these, you know. I will post other content, like, you know, I'm starting to post makeup tutorials and stuff, but stuff like this is just kind of easier for my mobility. And yeah, plus I wanted to get these organized so I can feel a little less cluttered in my life. Like I said, the majority is ColourPop. ColourPop was my favorite brand for a very long time, and I've been using them since almost their opening. So y'all, I have a big collection, but I have tried a lot of other brands too, so I know the tea. Now, this is basically my whole collection. I went and grabbed my favorite ones as well and put them in the pile. The rest of these are my glitters and my loose glitters. So if you want to see that collection, I'll link it down below. It's already posted, but we're going to go through the glitter gels slash like face glitters. You know what I mean? I hope that makes some sense. So I'm just gonna I'm organizing these as well. So this is a collection and an organization video. I'm gonna kind of put my favorite ones at the front, and I wish I wouldn't have like mixed my favorites in with my non-favorites, but first thing we have is Eternal Sunshine by ColourPop, and for the record, I have no idea if any of these are still available. I'm just showing you guys my collection. I have 3 backups of this. When this got discontinued, I was so sad because it is my favorite. Lots of brands have done this now, so it's nothing new, but it straight Euphoria vibes, right? Like, you cannot tell me that that doesn't give you straight up like Euphoria vibes. Like, that'd be perfect for a Euphoria look, but this is what the ColourPop packaging is. It's nice. I haven't had any issues. They can dry out, but there are ways of rehydrating. Makeup Just for Fun, I think, on YouTube does really good videos. So next we have the the ColourPop Sailor Moon Glitterly Obsessed. That's what the ColourPop ones are called. They're called the Glitterly Obsessed. Gosh, you can tell that I'm not professional at all. This is just a really, really pretty pink shade. Total Sailor Moon vibes if you're a fan like I am. I like putting them over top of highlighters. Hi! So I got both of those shades. Really, really fun. So this is the purple. This is Moon Prism Power. And like, if these dry out, you can rehydrate them. So it's not like a waste of your product if you don't get through them all like me, because sometimes your girl buys makeup and doesn't use it all right away, but that's fine. Absolute favorite is by Lemonhead LA. I wanted to try this brand forever, and it took me forever because it's a little bit more expensive than ColourPop, but this is the shade Happy Ending. This is in collaboration with Monique Hart, and so of course it's like a purpley shade. I'm gonna put it on my arm. Like, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it's just really, really pretty. It's got like a purpley translucent base with lots of pink and gold and like green. It's really, really pretty. I cannot sit here and talk about these forever, so we're gonna go move a bit more quickly and I'm just gonna show you them like this, and I hope it works. This is Mint Condition from ColourPop. This has more of a clear base with a like greeny bluey type shift. It's pretty. I prefer more translucent bases, so stuff like that is really fun. The Urban Decay Heavy Metal ones are really, really good, but they do dry out, and unfortunately mine are like all dried out except for the blue, which is my favorite, but I don't know where it is right now. I also have the Glitter Camo from Lit Cosmetics. They are a lovely indie brand in Canada, so I always want to support local. Mine need to be like mixed. They're not how they're meant to be, but they are still pretty. I would say they last decently. I still think ColourPop depending on how you store them, is a bit better. But this one is less of a chunky, more of an actual like micro shimmer, if that makes sense. I have some of the ColourPop Disney Villain Collection ones. I got both of them. The packaging's really cute. I might give my friend this one though. The shade Anomaly. Really pretty. Is the more purpley one. Of course. Are we surprised? We are not. Okay, so it's like a purpley, silvery type thing. I think that's cute. Disco Lady and Mint Condition are very similar in my opinion. I'm not quite sure what the difference is. I know that there is a difference. I really like micro shimmer type things where they're super, super fine. I think that is really fun, and ColourPop has some of those, which again, I am a fan of. I have this Lizzie McGuire one, which the packaging is just cute. Like, I would keep it just for the packaging. I also have some Tarte ones. Tarte sent these to me a long time ago, so they're like super dried up. But it's pretty, so. Like I said, most of my collection is ColourPop. I am finding some dried out ones and I'm just gonna toss them. Like, if they're too dried out to do anything, then there's no point. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, that's cute. That's like a baby pink with lots of micro shimmer, but with chunks. I wish it didn't have the chunks, but I still think it's pretty. Like, if I was doing a baby pink look, that would be it for sure. I have some other mini ones, which I should have actually put at the bottom, but did I think? No, I did not. I think I did pretty good with decluttering and with getting these sorted. This is the little collection of face glitters that I have, and these two little ones that I am going to put on my vanity. I just think these are so pretty, and I think it's such a fun way to like liven up your look. Like, even if you do like a natural eye look, you could totally just add some of this on your face and like you'll shine, you know? I don't know. I'm into fun, crazy, intense makeup, so this stuff is totally up my alley. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you subscribe. Comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram and TikTok, Makeup by Tasha XO, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, what are you doing?